What are you doing? Leave your face alone.
Hi guys, Frederik from Lifer here. I will give you a quick introduction about what Leave Your Face Alone is and how it can actually help you. So as you can see, I already have my camera running here. I started the detection and I have selected my targeted body parts. So in my case, it's the eyes. And basically what Lifer is now doing, it's sort of monitoring if you're touching that body part. And in my case, if I'm touching now the eyes, you actually will get the notification and also an alarm. And there are different body parts that you can select. So for example, if you're a nail bite, you can select mouth. If you're always scratching your nose, you can select nose, or maybe you're a beard picker, so you can actually select beard. There are also different options for the alarms. You can select more gentle ones, more funny ones, or also other annoying ones. And you can also enable browser notifications, for example, if you don't want to rely on audio sound, but rather on like a small pop-up in the bottom. Another important feature is actually the background monitoring. Yeah, in order to keep an eye on you, a Lifer needs to have the camera activated, but maybe you don't want to see yourself the whole time, or you cannot have this tab the whole time open, and therefore you can use the background monitoring. For this, you will see the small picture-in-picture window, and yeah, now the tracking still can continue. So if I'm now scratching my eye, you can actually hear it. And the advantage is now I can sort of pull it here on the corner and, for example, continue other stuff. And if I'm now touching my eye, the alarm still goes on. So you can basically do your daily thing, and Lifer keeps an eye on you. It's important to also say here that everything is happening locally, so no data will leave your device, and no one else can actually see it, so only you.
In order for you to keep on track and better understand your behavior, we added some statistics where you can actually see how often you're tending to fall into behavior, how long it takes, and also like a weekly or monthly overview so that you can really understand what are your peak times, what might be triggers during a time that cause this behavior. The next feature I want to show is the share statistics, a feature that actually allows you to create a shareable link with your friends and family. You just need to set a password and then you can send this link out to them, and it basically allows them to see your stats, see your progress, and for example cheer you up if it's not working so well, or also cheer you up if it's working good, to keep you on track and they also motivate you. Besides this, we also have a small help section here that will help you to set up the camera the best way to get the most out of Lifer. And some settings where you can actually set your defaults for like the camera, the detection part, and also the alert. And last but not least, like a small page to manage your profile, for example, your subscription, also if you want to change your email or reach out to us. Yeah, that was my small demo for you, and I can only say leave your face alone and let Lifer help you with that, and all the best to you.